Hello everybody. Today we are gonna look into the new equipment that I got. I decided to get into the SMD boards fixing and working on it. So I got the newest and the cheapest possible hot air station, which is ATTEN 862D. And this is what we have right here in the box. So what we are gonna do today is we'll open the box and we'll look into it and we'll see exactly what we got. Let's get started. So as you can see, the box is well covered and it looks like it has a bag that is covering the whole box. So till now what we have is, this looks like the trash bag. I don't mind. So this is what we have right here, and this is a box. Oh, that's good. Alright, so let's open it. So first of all is the catalog, and it looks very simple one. It has like 3 pages or so. Oh, it's 7, 8, 9. Alright. Power cable. This is the ground cable. And here we go. What is this? And so this is a stand. Looks nice. The hose. So actually the package that I purchased, and I'll leave the link down in the video for the package. I got the straight nozzle and the bent nozzle. So I believe everybody was talking about the need for the bent nozzle, just for the air not to revert back to your hand while working on the board. So let's get this out. Now the box is empty. We don't have anything inside. We have at the bottom, no. So that's it. Alright, here we go. So it looks nice, well made, nice. I'm so excited to start. All right. Let's get this box. Get one of the nozzles out. Take this one. nice. Let's see how easy it gets in. It gets in very easy, and this table doesn't get out. Just need to put it. Yep, sounds good. All right. So let's get the power out and connect it to the power. Let's go through the menus, and we'll look into first how to get into the menus. The basic functionality first is when you take it out of the stand, you are expecting it to work, but it doesn't, because it has this nice button where this button where you have to press just to get it start. So whenever you press it, it start, you press it again, it doesn't stop, you put it back in the stand, it stopped, and it start decreasing the temperature. Taking it out, it doesn't start again. So it has also one more functionality, which is when you have a long press on this, so it start cold air, so it start pushing cold air, and you can use this if you need to get rapid cooling to the board or something like that. However, it's whenever it gets into the cold mode, you need to get it back, so you need to press again. So now it's hot mode, just one press, stop it. So this is a basic functionality of the hand itself, and you can change these settings from the menus. So how can we get to the menus? It's simple as pressing. Let's wait for this noise to stop. Alright, so pressing 1 and 3 all together. So now you get into the menu. You navigate through button 1 and 3, so you can go through the different menu options through 1 and 3. So let's go for one by one. So the first one is lock, and lock is locking the functionality of the air and temperature. It stopped. You cannot change it, so it just stay as is. Whenever you leave the menus for 5 seconds or so, it just get out of the menus automatically. Okay, so this is the lock. Next is the how can you set the temperature? Is it centigrade or Fahrenheit? So you can change it, and the changes can be done from the temperature button, so you can change it to degree centigrade or Fahrenheit. Factory default, if you turn it on, then it will restore everything as you received it. Reset everything to the factory defaults. Calibration, so the calibration is actually when you test the temperature of your air gun, and you found that it's off calibration. So whenever you set it to 400 and then you test it and found that it's less or plus something, so you need to change it, so you can change it from here. This is the buttons noise, or the buzzer, the alert, so you can turn it on, so you get sound for buttons, or off, you don't get sound. I was turning it off actually. HTO is I'm not sure. I read the manual. I didn't get exactly what is this HTO. However, maybe in luck. So standby, you can stop the standby mode for several minutes or so. So you can put it like this to save you get. Now if you start it and put it back, it doesn't. No, it's not. Anyway, so this is actually controlling the amount of time that you need to put it in standby. So this is all the menus, nothing else. So let me get this standby as off. Okay, if you press on 2, it saves and exit the menus. Now what we need to do is to try it and see exactly how does it perform. Let's start to let's try to get out this coil. We'll see. Temperature is 400. Here we go. Very good. Now let's try this diode. Should be fairly easy. Yep, yep. Yep. Especially that the board is hot, so I believe everything will be easy to remove. So actually everything is ready to be removed. Very easy. Yep.